Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Truecaller on iPhone. This tutorial is designed for beginners as well as the users who want to fully understand every feature and icon inside the Truecaller application. We will begin with downloading and installing the app, proceed to account setup and permissions, and then carefully explore each section including the caller ID, spam blocking, search, messaging, profile setting, privacy controls, and premium features. And Truecaller is one of the most widely used caller identification and spam blocking application. However, on iPhone certain features require proper configuration within iOS setting to function correctly. Therefore, in this guide, I will carefully explain each step in a clear and structured manner so you can use this app with full understanding. Whether you are installing the Truecaller for the first time or want to better understand its features and setting, this complete walkthrough will provide you all the necessary information. So first, you need to unlock your iPhone and go to your App Store here. And on the bottom there's a search bar. Tap on the search bar and type down Truecaller and search for it. And over here select to this Truecaller ID blocker, and over here select to this download icon here. Authenticate using your Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password, and you can wait for the installation to complete. And after that, after it gets downloaded, you can open to your Truecaller here. So when you first open to a Truecaller for the first time, you are required to select your country here and enter your phone number as well here, and tap continue on the bottom. And what you have to do is you need to agree to the term and conditions over here that about your privacy is important. Select the agree and continue on the bottom here. So over here you will receive a verification code via SMS. So over here simply check to your WhatsApp inbox and copy this code and go back to the Truecaller again. Here what you have to do is simply enter the OTP and it will automatically set you to add a profile picture over here. What you can do is simply type down your first name, your last name, and your email address as well, and select continue after done. Over here you can also optimize your experience by choosing allow. You ensure that the content you see is relevant and personalized, and you can change this later in your setting if you want to, as I'm going to select this choose in order to proceed, and select ask app not to track. If you don't want to track any of the activity from the Truecaller across other companies and websites, select ask app not to track here. And if you want to enable the notification from the Truecaller, you can select enable, but if you do not prefer any of the notifications, select maybe later. So this is the proper interface of the Truecaller over here. And over here when you enter this app, you will see this main interface. At the bottom there are navigation icons. This is the main dashboard. So here you can see the recent identified calls, spam alerts, suggested contacts, and if a number is marked red, it indicates spam. If green or normal, it is considered safe. And on the top there's a search a number icon there. This allows you to search unknown numbers, search businesses, search individuals. At the top there's a search bar. Simply you can type a number and tap on search. Truecaller will display the name, spam reports, locations if available, and profile photo if public. And in the top right corner we can find there's this profile icon. Tap on this profile icon to access here. Over here you'll find your profile information, settings, premium upgrade options, and privacy controls here. And the next is when you receive a call, Truecaller displays the caller information directly on the call screen. If extension is enabled, you may see the caller name, spam warning, business tags, or the location as well. If there's a green colored name, it indicates a safe or the verified numbers. If there's a red warning banner, indicates the spam or the fraud reports. If there's a spam count, shows how many users reported the number as well. And if there's a business badge, it shows the verified businesses. And if you want to block numbers on iPhone from the Truecaller app, you can open to this Truecaller and you can search for the number in the top here and select search and Truecaller here. And over here we can block the number as well by simply tapping on this. If you want to message the number, you can do that as well. And if you want to save or call, you can simply tap on this each icon. And in this search icon, you can enter a phone number, paste or copy number, search a business's name as well. Truecaller will show all the names, spam rating, call option, message option, report option, and if the number is unknown, you can also report it as a spam. And over here on the profile settings, we can find this notification just below the privacy center. When you tap on these notifications here, it controls the caller ID alerts, spam alerts, message alerts. And over here, when you go back, when you find this privacy center, it controls who can see your profile, turn off the last seen, manage data visibility, or if you want to deactivate your account, you can do that as well. And if you want to go to incognito mode, which is for the premium, you can do that as well. And you can also change the language once you select to this change language here. And the next feature is Truecaller Premium on iPhone. Premium features include no advertisements, advanced spam blocking, see who viewed your profile, premium badge, and enhanced privacy controls. To upgrade, you can go to this interface here on the bottom right. We can find this premium icon there, or simply on the bottom we can find this buy premium upgrade. Tap on that green upgrade there, and over here you'll find all of the plan for this, your monthly or yearly as well, or you can find this premium, family, or the premium gold as well, which is for the per yearly, and you can select that you want to, and you can confirm via Apple subscription as well. In order to do that, you need to double click to subscribe it. Simply do that and you can proceed to this premium as well. And the next thing is to Truecaller widgets on the iPhone. Truecaller offers iOS widgets that provides quick access to the features without opening the app. So in order to add the widget, what you have to do is go back to the home screen here. You need to tap on touch the home screen where it's empty, there's no apps, and tap on the edit in the top left. Over here, select this add widget. So what you can do is you can search for your Truecaller here and you can add widget on the bottom. And over here, you can also choose your caller ID widget, spam alert widget. Tap on this widget here. You can also position it to on your home screen. Over here, simply tap and hold it, and you can select wherever you want to put it on here. And widgets allow you to quickly see spam calls and recent activity at a glance, saving time and improving your awareness of the unknown numbers. And the next thing is the privacy center or the Truecaller. The privacy center is a critical section for the managing your personal data. The features are who can see your profile, control visibility of your name, photo, and the number, last seen online status here. Once you go to there, you can also manage your data. View your data is used by submitted for spamming reporting as well. And once you select your manage data, you can also rectify your data, restrict processing your data, or download the data if you want to. And if you want to manage the tracking, you can select this tracking here, and you can optimize the experience by choosing it allow, and you can track the data as well. And using the privacy center ensures your personal information remains secure and only the visible to the audience you choose. And the next is to support chat in Truecaller. On the bottom, we can find there's a chat support just below the review. Once you tap in, you can choose the chat, type down your issue, and Truecaller representatives will respond. This is especially useful for the troubleshooting, verification issues, spam reporting errors, premium subscription questions. If you want any of the trouble, what you can do is simply ask anything to this chat support and send it. And the next thing is to spam protection features. Truecaller is designed to minimize unwanted calls and messages with several layers of the spam protection. The key features would be the automatic spam detection. Numbers reported by others users are flashed in real time. Stop spammers less frequently reported spam numbers are blocked automatically. Call blocking option, block unknown, hidden, or international numbers. Spam alerts during incoming calls. A red banner or warning appears when a spam number calls. And SMS filtering. Spam messages are automatically separated in the message tab. Those features ensures you avoid scams, telemarketers, and fraudulent calls while maintaining your control over who can contact you. So in order to deactivate or the delete Truecaller account, you can go to your profile icon in the top right and select to this privacy center here. What you can do is simply tap on this deactivate account. Simply select all of these reasons by the Truecaller and you can select deactivate account on the bottom, and that is it. This concludes our complete and detailed guide on how to use Truecaller on iPhone, covering the installation, setup, enabling caller ID, understanding each icon, blocking spam, managing privacy setting, and exploring premium features. With proper configuration, Truecaller can significantly enhance your call security and help you with identify unknown numbers efficiently. And by understanding every icon, feature, and setting, you can confidently navigate the Truecaller, making your iPhone calling experience safer, smarter, and more productive. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.